Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today we are here in Parkersburg, West Virginia, and we're going to be exploring the grounds of a ruined factory. Now, we are not going to be going inside because as me and Dawson walked up to this area, we did see quite a few homeless people. We did talk to one of them, and he did give us permission to, take photos and videos of the outside underneath area. But he did say that he didn't want us to go inside because, of course, people were living in there, and he said that there were people still asleep. So we did take a look down here and around some of the grounds. Now, what's really unique about this factory is it is elevated off the ground. You can actually see off to the left, there is a large ramp that goes up to the actual building itself, where, of course, we could not go due to people sleeping. You can see there is piles of trash here that they were most likely burning to stay warm. And you'll notice there is a lot of scattered stuff all around. Now, outside of this factory, which was the most interesting point of interest for us, there was also a barn and some other building ruins. Now, we were told not to get too close to the barn because apparently the guy who lives there is not that friendly, especially to outsiders. But apparently he's not too friendly with the local people either. So here you can see, just looking at some of the ruins and stuff, there is the barn that we were told not to get too close to. We also have this metal structure over here that I'm not exactly sure what it was used for. Mostly all that remains, of course, is the frame. When I see it, I do think greenhouse, but there is a plant hanging from it, so that is probably some sort of confirmation bias in my head. We do have a metal sheet with graffiti and a little rubber football. Now we're walking into the temporary structure, and we're going to walk up to that plant. Now this area was truly really cool to see. I am so thankful that they didn't mind us taking photos and videos, because it was so unique. And I hope you guys did like this exploration of the area. I'm going to take one last look at how beautiful it is. And thank you guys so much for watching.